In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a refund from a vendor using QuickBooks Online. Navigating refunds can seem like a daunting task, but with QuickBooks you'll realize it's actually quite straightforward. So let's dive into the step-by-step guide. To start, we'll need to access QuickBooks Online. Begin by clicking on the Sign In button. If you're not already familiar, QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based accounting software that allows you to manage your business finances from anywhere. Once you're signed in, make sure to select QuickBooks Online from the list of options. If you haven't set up your account yet, you'll need to do so by entering your credentials. Simply input your username and password, then press Continue to get logged in. Now that you're inside QuickBooks, move your cursor to the top left corner of the interface. There, you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll start the process of entering the refund information. After clicking New, you'll notice a drop-down menu, and from this menu you'll want to select Vendor Credit. This is a crucial step because it specifically signals to QuickBooks that you're dealing with a refund situation. Next, it's time to input the details of the refund. Begin by selecting the appropriate vendor from your list. This should be the company that issued the refund. Once you've done that, navigate to the field labeled Category. Here, you'll want to designate the category that best fits the refund. This could be anything from office supplies to travel expenses, depending on the nature of the original transaction. In the description section, enter a brief explanation of what the refund is for. This helps maintain clarity in your records, which can be incredibly beneficial during auditing or when reviewing expenses at a later date. After that, enter the refund amount in the Amount field. Be precise with this figure to ensure accuracy in your financial records. If applicable, you may need to assign this refund to a specific customer. To do that, use the Customer field to select the appropriate person or company. Once all the fields are correctly filled out, take a moment to review everything you've entered. This is your chance to make sure that there are no errors or omissions. When you're satisfied with the information, click Save and Close to finalize the entry. And there you have it. You've successfully entered a refund from a vendor in QuickBooks Online. By keeping your records tidy and up to date, you ensure your accounting processes run smoothly. Remember, whenever you receive a refund, following these steps will help keep your financial data organized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.